Hello students, I am Santosh sir. Now we are going to discuss about here transport of large molecule, that is bulk transport. Yesterday we discussed about active transport. As you know that active transport need energy because in this process the movement of the substances is from the lower rate of the concentration toward the higher rate of the concentration. That's why it needs energy, and this energy comes from the ATP. But today we are going to discuss about transport of large molecule, bulk transport. Do you know bulk transport? Bulk transport, the transport during the bulk transport, the membrane changes its form and shapes. So keep in mind, during the bulk transport, membrane, that is cell membrane, changes its form and shape. It occurs into two ways. First is endocytosis and second is exocytosis. Endocytosis means taking the substance in. Endocytosis. Endo means in. Endo means in. And exo means out. Keep in mind, exo means out. So from this word we can understand exo means out and endo means in. So during the bulk transport of the the membrane changes its forms and shapes. So it occurs in the two ways: endocytosis and exocytosis, taking the substance in, and exocytosis, passing the substance out. Endocytosis is of two types. So we need to understand here about the endocytosis. Endocytosis means taking the substance in. So it is of two type. It is categorized into two parts: phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Phagocytosis क्या है and pinocytosis क्या है? Let us understand here. First is phagocytosis. It is the intake of the solid particles, but pinocytosis, it is the intake of the fluid droplets. So keep in mind, endocytosis, it is the taking the substance in. It is the taking the substance in. It means it is divided into two categories: phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Phagocytosis, it means it is the process to intake of solid particles, and it is the process to intake of fluid droplets. Second is membrane folds out, going round the particles, forming a cavity and thus engulfing the particles. Membrane fold out like that. Okay, fold out, going round, and particles forming a cavity and thus engulfing the particle. And second, in pinocytosis, membrane fold in अंदर की तरफ and form a cup like shape. Okay, and suck in droplets. So from these two figure you can understand figure A and figure B. Figure A is for phagocytosis. You can see a figure A and figure B. Figure A and figure B you can understand. See here, figure first is for phagocytosis and second is for pinocytosis. Pinocytosis, this is pinocytosis and first is phagocytosis. फैगोसाइटोसिस में आप देख सकते हैं कि जैसे ही सब्सटेंस यानी सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स जो है कि जाता है, तो इसमें जो है कि मेम्ब्रेन फोल्ड आउट बाहर की तरफ जो है कि मेम्ब्रेन फोल्ड आउट, सेल मेम्ब्रेन फोल्ड आउट बाहर की तरफ फोल्ड हो जाता है, एंड देन फॉर्मिंग ए कैविटी एंड दस engulfing the particle you can see. And in pinocytosis you can see here, पिनोसाइटोसिस में क्या होता है, इसमें जो है कि मेम्ब्रेन फोल्ड इन एंड फॉर्म ए कप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एंड सक इन द ड्रॉपलेट्स. Second figure you can see here. Second figure. Okay. So this is figure. And cell membrane regulates movement of the substances into and out of the cells. If the cell's membrane fails to function normally, the cell die. So keep in mind, if the cell membrane fails to function normally, the cells डाई। यदि जो है कि सेल मेम्ब्रेन फेल्स होता है ये सब फंक्शन करने के लिए तो क्या होता है, सेल उस कंडीशन में डाई कर जाएगा। एंड सेकेंड थिंग, व्हाट इज द सेल वॉल इन बैक्टीरिया एंड प्लांट्स सेल्स, the outermost cell cover present outside the plasma membrane is the cell wall about which we shall study now. We have to see here bacteria cell wall is made up of. If someone is asking bacteria cell wall is made up of, then you have to say peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan, it is made up of the peptidoglycan, but in the plant cell wall is made up of the cellulose. Let us see here structure of the uh, outermost non-living layer present in all the plants. So outermost non-living layer present in all the plants, and it is secreted secreted by the cell itself. And second, in most plants it is chiefly made up of the cellulose. I have already told you, in the plant cell it is made up of the cellulose and also contain other chemical substances such as pectin and lignin. इसमें पेक्टिन और लिग्निन भी जो है कि पाया जाता है। एंड the next point is the substance constituting the cell wall is not simply homogeneous, but it consists of fine thread or fiber called microfibril. It is not homogeneous. Homogeneous मतलब केवल एक ही चीज़ का नहीं होता है. It consists of the fine thread or fiber like structure that is called माइक्रोफाइब्रिल. माइक्रोफाइब्रिल होता है उसमें जो है कि फाइबर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो है कि इसको माइक्रोफाइब्रिल कहते हैं. ओके. एंड it may be thin, that is 1 micron. The size is the 1 micron and transparent as in the cell of the onion pill. Onion pill, I will tell you in the practical. Okay, onion pill. ओनियन पिल क्या होता है, जब प्याज के एक छिलकों को छिला जाता है तो उसकी जब लेयर निकाली जाती है वही ओनियन पिल होता है. एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन? The function, the cell wall protect the delicate inner parts of the cells. First of all, it protect the inner part of the cells, and it being rigid and it gives shape to the cell. It gives shape to the cell. Second, as it is rigid, it doesn't allow distension of the cell, thus leading the turbidity of the cells that is useful in the many ways. It freely allows the passes of the water and other chemical into and out of the cells. And there are breaks in the primary wall of the adjacent cells through which the cytoplasm of one cell remain connected with the other. These cytoplasmic strands which connect one cell to other cells are plasmodesmata. So you can see here, so एक सेल जो है कि दूसरे सेल से कैसे कनेक्ट होते हैं थ्रू द plasmodesmata. You can see here there are the breaks in the many primary walls of the adjacent cells, बगल वाला cells, through which cytoplasm of one cell remain connected. Cytoplasm of one cell remain connected with adjacent cells, connected with the other cells. These cytoplasmic strands which connect one cell to another cells are known as plasmodesmata. The wall of the two adjacent cells are firmly joined by a cementing material called middle lamella. It is made up of calcium pectinate. Wall of the two adjacent cells are firmly joined by cementing material called middle lamella, which is made up of calcium pectinate. Now you have to answer these questions. This is the homework and you have to comment it in the YouTube link. Okay. And again we'll discuss about the cytoplasm and cell organelles. The cytoplasm contains many cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulums, lysosomes, etc. Mitochondria. What is the mitochondria? Mitochondria are the energy releaser and the chloroplast are the energy trapper. Mitochondria appear as a teeny thread-like structures under the light microscope, and its size is 0.5 to 1 micrometer. Micrometer.